4 letters animals. Let's spell the word first. Lion. L-I-O-N. Lion. Second word is deer. D-E-E-R. Deer. The third word is bear. B-E-A-R. Bear. Now let's spell the word of frog. F-R-O-G. Frog. Let's spell the word is duck. D-U-C-K. Duck. Let's spell the word swan. S-W-A-N. Swan. Let's spell the word crow. C-R-O-W. Crow. Now it's your turn. Let's spell the word walls. W-O-L-F. Walls. Now it's your turn. Let's spell the word puma. P-U-M-A. Puma. Now it's your turn. Let's spell the word mole. M-O-L-E. Mole. Now it's your turn. Let's spell the word dove. D-O-V-E. Dove. Ghoul. G-U-L-L. Ghoul. Now let's spell the word crab. C-R-A-B. Crab. Let's spell the word mink. M-I-N-K. Mink. Now it's your turn. Let's Good job, children. Now let's start the short quiz. What's the spelling of frog? F-R-O-G. Frog. What's the spell of deer? D-E-E-R. Deer. Children, can you spell the word swan? S-W-A-N. Swan. Children, can you spell the word crow? R-O-W, crow. What's the spelling of crab? C-R-A-B, crab. Let's spell the word of ghoul. G-U-L-L, ghoul. Now let's the spell of word puma. P-U-M-A, puma. Can you spell the word mink? M-I-N-K, mink. Can you spell the word beard? Beard, B-E-A-R. Can you spell the word loin? L-I-O-N, loin. Can you spell the word mole? M-O-L-E, mole.
Subscribe for more videos.